Hey guys, my name is Eitan Bernath and welcome back to my channel. I'm a 15-year-old food blogger, food photographer, and YouTuber. Today we are making the ultimate food that you want to eat on a cold day, a hearty Tex-Mex chili. It is super simple to make. It literally just dump the ingredients into the pot. That is it, and it comes together super quickly. I have a pot right here on my stovetop. I'm going to put a medium to high heat. We're going to add in some good old extra virgin olive oil in there. To that, we're going to add in some diced onion and some minced garlic. All right, let's give that a good mix up. I want to cook this for about 5 minutes just till the onions start to caramelize around the edges and get nice and soft. Those are looking great, nice and caramelized around the edges and soft. To this, we're going to add in our lean ground beef. You can use regular ground beef, but I think using the lean ground beef will just make it a little less oily. That's just my preference, but whatever you like, you can go with. So we're going to add this into our pot, just like that. And now it's important that we want to break it up into nice little crumbles. Our beef is finished browning and it looks gorgeous. To this, we're going to add in our spices. To start, we have a little bit of cinnamon right over here. This is going to give it a nice kind of earthy note. Add just a touch of that in, maybe a touch more. Perfect. Now we're going to add in some cumin. Cumin is one of my favorite spices. It will just add tons of great flavors. We're going to give a heaping tablespoon of that. There we go. Next, we're going to add in some paprika. I love to use smoked Hungarian paprika because I think it just has the best smoky flavor that will take this chili to a whole nother level. But if you just have regular paprika at home, you can use that as well. So let's get a nice heaping teaspoon of that in there, a little bit more. Now we're going to add in a little bit of chili powder. This is going to give it a little bit of spice, a little bit of more flavor, all those great things. So let's go in with just a touch of that, like that. Now, we are going to just mix this all up, and we want to kind of toast these spices in here for 30 seconds to a minute, just to let the flavors come out. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to eat this. This is smelling incredible. Next, up until now, this has kind of been your classic chili, but what makes this chili unique and just on a whole other level is chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. This is the new ingredient I've been cooking with. I don't know how I've been without this in my life. Straight into here, we're going to go in with those chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. It adds the perfect smokiness that gives this chili its signature flavor. Then we're also going to hit it in with a little bit of crushed tomatoes. Not a little bit, a lot actually. Next, I'm going to add in some of our tomato paste, which is really going to help thicken the sauce. Add that into here. Now let's give that a good mix up. We want this to be fully combined. This is just looking incredible already. To this, we're going to add in a nice amount of chicken broth. All right. Now we're going to give that another good mix up. Then we're going to go in straight with some beans. You can add whatever you like in here. You can add corn if you want, but I just like some black beans and some red kidney beans. We're going to put those both in. Also, to balance out the heat in the chipotles and adobo and the cayenne pepper, we're going to add in a little bit of honey. This is basically done. The last touch is just a bay leaf that we're going to add in there for a little bit more flavor. Now that the bay leaf's in, we're going to let this simmer on the stove for 20 to 30 minutes until it's reduced down, and then it's chili eating time. It's been 30 minutes and our chili has reduced down into a nice, thick, hearty chili. The last thing we're going to do is hit it with a touch of salt and a little crack of pepper. One last mix up, and then it's time to eat. Right here on my cutting board, I have this beautiful bowl that I'm going to spoon our chili into. This looks and smells incredible. Check this out. The only thing that you got to top this with is a little bit of chopped scallions. The last thing left to do is to dig in. You got to get a spoonful of everything. You got to get the black bean, the kidney bean, the beef, the onion, the garlic, the spices, everything into one ultimate spoon. All right, it is time. I've been waiting for it to dig in. Wow, it seriously fills your mouth with the most incredible flavor. The only way to describe it is like a hug for your mouth. You get all those warm spices, the hearty beef, the beans, the tomato sauce. It all comes together into one out of this world chili. If you want the recipe, you can get it in the description box below. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome cooking videos. All right, I'm gonna go finish this bowl of chili.